Ever wondered how deep we could really dig into the Earth? From backyard shovels to massive drills, humans have tried to go deeper and deeper. But how far could we go, and what would we find down there? Join us as we dig into the question, just how deep can we go? First, let's break down what we're up against. The Earth is made up of several layers: the crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. The crust, which is where we live, is around 5 to 70 kilometers thick. Below that is the mantle, stretching 2,900 kilometers deep, followed by the outer and inner cores. To reach the center of the Earth, we'd need to dig a staggering 6,400 kilometers. So, how close have we actually come to Earth's core? The deepest humans have ever dug is the Kola Superdeep Borehole in Russia, reaching about 12 kilometers down. It took almost 20 years to get there, and they barely scratched the Earth's crust. But even at that depth, the temperatures reached 180 degrees Celsius, making further drilling nearly impossible. The deeper they went, the hotter it got, and the drill encountered more and more resistance from intense pressure and rock density. Despite the impressive achievement, they were nowhere close to reaching the mantle, let alone the core. The challenges of digging deep are immense. As you go further down, temperatures rise dramatically. By the time you'd reach the mantle, it could be up to 1,000 degrees Celsius. Then there's the pressure. At 12 kilometers down, the pressure is already hundreds of times greater than at the surface. These extreme conditions make it nearly impossible for drills and equipment to survive. Even with today's advanced technology, our equipment can't withstand the intense heat and pressure. We'd need materials that don't yet exist to go any further. And if we could somehow overcome these obstacles, we'd still have thousands of kilometers to go. What if we could create super strong materials and advanced cooling systems? Some scientists believe that with future technology, we might push a bit further. Innovations in drilling like laser-assisted drills or self-cooling drill heads might one day allow us to go deeper than the Kola borehole. But even then, reaching the mantle or core remains a long shot. We're talking about temperatures hotter than the surface of Venus, and pressures that would crush most metals. It's like trying to drill into a star hidden within the Earth. So, let's imagine for a moment that we could dig all the way to the core. What would we find? The mantle is made of semi-molten rock, churning slowly over millions of years. If we somehow reach the outer core, we'd encounter liquid iron and nickel, creating Earth's magnetic field. And the inner core? A solid ball of metal, possibly even spinning separately from the rest of the planet. It's a strange alien world right beneath our feet, one we can't reach, but we can only imagine based on scientific data and seismic readings. Since digging deeper isn't an option, scientists have found other ways to study Earth's interior. By using seismology, they measure how earthquake waves travel through different layers of the Earth, giving us clues about its composition. These seismic waves reveal that the core is solid while the outer core is liquid, and they help scientists map out what lies below without ever drilling. It's like using X-rays to see inside the Earth. Seismology allows us to study the planet's secrets without facing the deadly conditions below. So, how deep can we dig? For now, the answer is just a fraction of the Earth's crust. While we might never reach the core, our curiosity drives us to explore other ways to understand the planet we call home. Who knows what future technology might bring? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us as we explore more incredible mysteries of our world.